Hi everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a modern travel poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Increase its size to the size of the artboard. Go to the Edit menu, and choose Copy. Then paste in front. Decrease its size. Select both the circles. Open the Pathfinder panel, and click on the -front button. Go to the Line tool and draw a vertical line in the center. Align it with the circle. Select the line, go to the Rotate tool, and press Enter. Set the angle to 45 degrees, and hit the Copy button. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Now select the top 3 lines and increase the stroke weight. Select the center horizontal line and circle. Use the Shape Builder tool, hold the Alt button to minus the bottom part of it. Go to the Object menu and choose Expand. Open the Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Double-click to enter isolation mode. Select the Magic Wand tool, click the blue shapes. Edit menu and cut. And delete the remaining objects. Edit menu again and paste it in front. Drag it a bit down. Select them, Edit menu, copy it for later use. Go to the File menu and choose Place. Select the images and click Place. Arrange them. Select all the shapes, right-click, choose Arrange, and bring to front. Select the first shape and the image. Right-click, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Double-click and adjust its size. Repeat the process for the other shapes. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a shape to fill the bottom part. Add a point in the center using the Pen tool. And fill it using the Direct Selection tool. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Send it to back. Now paste the previously copied shapes. Right-click on them and choose Make Compound Path. Change the fill to outline, and color to white. Set outside and increase its weight. Then place the remaining images. Follow my placement process. Draw a circle. And follow me. It's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. I have the logo and text ready. Incorporate them directly into the design. Follow me. Select all, and you can change the colors on it with one click using the recolor option. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Then paste. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.